How to download Roblox on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to download the Roblox application on Android, what you can do is you can just go to the Play Store application on your device and just on the search bar, you can search by typing Roblox. So just search for Roblox in the search bar. So just type in Roblox and you can just tap on install. Now since I've already installed this application, I have the option of play. So I'm just going to tap on play and it will lead me to the home page of Roblox application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.